Here we will see formula fields in Crystal report. Formula field in a Crystal report is a functionality provided to enhance the computation of values dynamically during the display or printing of records in a report. Formulas are used to insert data in the report that does not exist with any of the object. Formula field provides a way to add the desired fields, that is, those that are not directly available in the database. If there is a need to perform some calculations or to add specialized data in the report, you can use formulas. Crystal report treats derived formula fields in exactly same manner as it does the original database fields. Created formula are added to report using different options available with insert functionality. For example, either by clicking and then dragging and dropping to the report, or select the formula and use insert functionality available through right click menu. There are several types of formula fields that are available in Crystal report. First is report formula, which is an additional field on report mostly used to make calculations. First is report formula, which is an additional field on report mostly used to make calculations. Conditional formatting formula is used to change the appearance of a report. Selection formula limits the record display on the report. It can be passed through C#. Running total condition formula. This type of formula helps to create running total. And alerting formula, which helps user to specify alerts and messages which can be passed through C#. To add a formula field, go to the Field Explorer panel and then click on Formula Fields to select it. Then right click on Formula Field and then select New, then enter a name and then click OK. A formula workshop window appears where you can write a formula. The formula workshop window is divided into 5 general categories. On the left, you have the Explorer window where you can see the formula field that you have selected to insert the code. Second is field box, which is a list of existing fields already in use on report, which appears within the report fields category. All available data source fields appear within another node of the field box denoted by the name of the data source. Next is function box. Built-in formula language functions appear in this box denoted by function category. Expand a category to see the different functions available within it. Functions appear with the values, sometimes referred as arguments, that you may supply to the functions within parentheses. Functions provide various types of helpful features such as string function, math function, date functions, etc. Next is operator box. Built-in formula language operators appear in this box denoted by operator category. Expand a category to see operators available within it. Operators typically involve capabilities to perform additions, subtraction, less than or greater than comparisons, and so forth. Formula text area. This larger white area consists the entire bottom formula editor. Here you may simply type in formula language fields, functions, operators directly. Or you may also drag and drop from the other three boxes into this area, or double click items from the other three boxes to add them to the formula text area. Once a formula is finished, click on Save and Close. To place the formula field in the report, go to Field Explorer and then drag the formula field as you do with other fields in the report.